Great morning all. I am Dr.saalai Kalpana, connecting you with Siddha Mudra. So today we are going to deal an important topic regarding mind. How to stop overthinking. So everybody knows that we must not overthink. Then how to stop this Everybody tells us to stop overthinking. This overthinking leads to anxiety, so many worries, and we always attract problems through our overthinking attitude. So we very well know that we have to stop overthinking, but how? Before analyzing how to stop overthinking, first of all, we have to analyze where this character of overthinking comes and what is overthinking. So many different thoughts are popping up from our mind. So these thoughts, mostly 99% of the thoughts are useless or not at all needed. So how to quit those thoughts? Is it so easy to quit those thoughts? Means no. And once again, what is the reason for so many thoughts popping up in particular sector people's mind? So everybody is dealing with the same kind of problems daily, but one person thinks of the problem so much, too much, and he himself traps into anxiety and fear. And some people take it light and go away. And even if we know that we must stop this overthinking, we don't know the formula how to quit that. So now we are going to analyze where this overthinking comes from is on the basis of our 5 elements in our body. So out of the 5 elements which control both our physical body and mind, the element air is directly related to our mind. So when the air element in our mind is high, what is going to happen? First of all, what does this air or character of air represent? The character of air is movement. The character of air is multiplication. So this movement and multiplication causes our thoughts to move more and more and multiply more and more. So if you are capable of cutting down or reducing the air element in our body, you can stop overthinking. And is that so much easy to do that? Yes. With the help of Siddha Mudras, we can cut down the peak of thoughts or multiplication of thoughts. So what we are going to do is, in our hands, we are having 5 fingers, out of which the index finger represents the air. We are going to reduce this air with the help of fire element. So you have to keep this index finger on the bottom line of your thumb. So you must not keep this finger as it is flat. You must only keep the tip of the index finger to the center of the bottom line of the thumb. So you are going to keep your finger in the bottom line of the thumb, nearly towards the center, not so much upwards or not so much downwards. You are keeping it in the center by your tip. So this is the first step. Just touch your bottom line of the thumb with the tip of the index finger, not with the flat portion of your index finger. Okay. Now you will be feeling some pulsation. Somebody may feel the pulsation, somebody may not. So don't worry about that. So keep this in this position. Second step is just lock this. Just lock the index finger by your thumb. Lock tightly so that you can reduce this hole as much as possible. No need to put so much pressure to break or make your fingers pain. So you just give a gentle pressure. Then keep all the 3 fingers completely extended. No finger must be bent like that. So if your fingers are not cooperating and bending like this or other 3 fingers, you can stretch the 3 fingers by your hand, other hand, or otherwise you can keep your hand inverted and press this hand on your thighs so that when you give pressure, these 3 fingers will be automatically extended. Otherwise else, you can keep your palm facing upwards in your lap. Once again, your hand must not come beyond your knees. The hand must be in the position of your knees. This is the correct method of doing Vayu Mudra. When you perform this Vayu Mudra, what is going to happen is, in 5 to 20 minutes, your breath pattern will be getting very slow. So before that, if you are anxious, if you are overthinking, your breath pattern will be like that. It will not even come up to the bottom of your lungs. Your breath will be like a superficial breathing. You will be breathing in a very speed manner, superficially. When you are performing Vayu Mudra in a correct manner, starting from 5 minutes to 20 minutes, better 20 minutes, your breath pattern will be getting slowing and slowing down. When your breath pattern is getting slower, your anxiety, your overthinking will be completely cut down. So addition to cutting down of your overthinking, you will get a very peaceful mind and also a very good sleep. Try this method. Try this very simple method of doing Vayu Mudra to control your overthinking. Please post your comment in the comment box below so that many people can get benefited by this. Thank you.